To transmit a project and its associated forms to production, click on the project in the editorial site and select Move to Production from the drop-down menu. Wait for the system to automatically create the project and associated forms in the production site. Check that the users with DE and EC roles who were assigned to the project on the editorial site have been automatically added to the team of the new project in the production site. Assign a mail template for sending the schedule notification by clicking on Assign Template and selecting the mail template titled Schedule Notification. This template will be used to send a notification email to the DE or EC when a schedule is being proposed. Double-click on the book and go to the Chapters screen to create a schedule for the project. Click on the Scheduler shortcut to open the scheduler. Choose the template and start date. Dates will be automatically populated for all chapters. Change the dates manually for a selection of rows or columns if desired, and the scheduler will recalculate automatically for that row. There will also be an alert about whether to recalculate the dates for all subsequent chapters. Choose yes or no depending on your preference. Save the schedule and click on Propose. Preview the mail and make any necessary changes. Then click on Send. An email with a link to the schedule will be triggered to the respective DE or EC. No changes can be made to this schedule until the DE or EC reviews the dates and responds.